Hello everyone, it's me DGP Diwata and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to newest cover song of Mission Souls, and this is You Give Love a Bad Name, popularized by none other than Bon Jovi. Oh my God! After ng Living on a Prayer, ay ito naman ngayong You Give Love a Bad Name ang gagawa nila na ang ginawa nila ng cover song, kaya excited ako, super excited kasi Bon Jovi na naman ito. Actually, iniisip-isip ko pa lang tong kantang ito kanina, no? Sabi ko, wow, sana gawa nila to ng cover song kasi sobra kong na-miss yung Bon Jovi songs. And aside from Winnie Wish ko din nagawa nila sana ng cover song ang Sweet Child, pero eto na, inuna nila ang Bad Name. Kaya thank you so much Mission Souls for this cover song kasi napasaya nyo na naman, hindi lang ako kundi ang mga fans nyo, okay? So ayan, pakinggan na natin. I'm so excited na dito. Tingnan natin kung sino ang magsha-shine sa kanilang mag-anak. Okay, let's go!
Shot through the heart, and you're to blame, darling. You give love a bad name. An angel smile is what you say. You promised me heaven, then put me through hell. Chains of love got a hold on me. When passion's a prison, you can't break free. Whoa, you're a loaded gun. Yeah. Whoa, there's nowhere to run. No one can save me. The damage is done. Shot through the heart, and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. I play my part, and you play your game. You give love a bad name. You give love a bad name. Picture smile on your lips, blood red nails on your fingertips. Schoolboy's dream, you act so shy. Your very first kiss was your first kiss goodbye. Whoa, you're a loaded gun. Whoa, there's nowhere to run. No one can save me. The damage is done. Shot through the heart, and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. I play my part, and you play your game. You give love a bad name. You give Shot through the heart, and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. I play my part, and you play your game. You give love a bad name. Shot through the heart, and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. I play my part, and you play your game. You give love a bad name. Whoa, you give love a bad name. You give
Ulit! Ang galing!
Shot through the heart, and you're to blame, darling. You give love a bad name.
Ang galing! Nasa
There's nowhere to run. No one can save me. The damage is done. Shot through the heart, and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. I play my part, and you play your game. You give love a bad name. You give Shot through the heart, and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. I play my part, and you play your game. You give love a bad name. Shot through the heart, and you're to blame. You give love a bad name. I play my part, and you play your game. You give love a bad name. Whoa, you give love a bad name. You give love. You give
Oh my God, ang galing! Pero hindi na kasi, baka hindi nyo napanoorin kasi mahaba na. Oh my God, love it! Mission Souls, grabe! These kids once again, oh my God, napakagaling. And of course, ang buong family, super love it. Once again, Mission Souls, pinahangan nyo na naman kami. Oh my God, napabilib ako dito ng Mission Souls, no? Napaka-intense ng reaction natin dito kasi napaka-intense naman ng cover at kung mapapansin nyo, talagang halos napapatayo ako at hindi ko alam kung paano ako manonood sa kanila kasi sobrang galing naman talaga na feeling ko ay parang parang nakikinig ako sa isang sa action movie na talagang kapag ka makikita mo na ando doon na yung pinaka-climax talaga namang sobrang natitense ako at hindi ko alam kung sino yung pakikinggan ko sa kanila, kung kanino ako titingin kasi lahat sila napakahusay. And of course, Nisha, nag-stand out ko dito ka talagang napakahusay ng riff ni Nisha dito. Napaiyak niya yung gitara ng napakagandang iyak. Imagine niyo kahit na talagang gigil na siya pero napakasarap sa tenga. And of course, si Nases napakaganda, napaka-cool ng hagod sa kanyang keyboard. And Daddy Second, ang ganda ng napaka-cool din syempre ng kanyang sa bass, no? Kanyang tipa sa bass. And ang ating little drummer boy at the age of 10, hindi pa huli sa mga professional drummers naman. And of course, the powerful voice of Mami Sheena ay talaga naman dalang-dala ako dito. Napakahusay. And ang sweet and charming voice naman ni Stacy na talaga namang masasabi natin na ever since na pinakinggan ko ang Mission Souls ay talagang lume-level up ang husay ng isang Stacy. Anyway, ayan, pagdating sa pagduduwi, talagang ang Mami Sheena at Stacy sobrang galing. And yung voice nila talaga nagbi-blend ng gusto, yung sweetness, yung charming ng voice nila, pareho lang sila na syempre doon ko na nagmana si Stacy sa mami niya and Mami Sheena and Stacy dahil sa cover song nyo nito talaga namang maraming mai-in-love dito and I'm pretty sure marami na namang mga reactors ang mag-uunahan sa paggawa ng reaction video na to, okay? So anyway, sa paggawa ng reaction video sa cover song na ito, ayan, isa na namang remarkable cover song ang ibinigay niyo sa amin. What a great performance from the great performers, okay? Anyway, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from our very own Mission Souls, please don't forget to subscribe. Mission Souls, marami kayong mapapakinggan ng mga magagandang cover song from them. And of course, ayan, if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button to get notified on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe also aking DJB Israel. Marami rin kayong mga reaction video na mapapanood dyan, of course. Ayan. Anyway, I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Bye-bye everyone. And always remember that music is life and life is all without music because music is one of the closest things to a time machine. It brings us back to the memories of yesteryears. I love you all.